Good morning, students. Let's start with our fifth lesson, The Happy Prince. Though we have started it yesterday through mind map and PPT, and you must have come to know that what is it all about. समझ में आ तो गया ही होगा कि ये किसके बारे में है. It is the story of a happy prince. It is actually a statue. It is not a lively prince. It is the statue of a prince. Actually, the happy prince was a beautiful statue. He was covered with gold and he had sapphire for eyes and a ruby in his sword. Then why did he want to part with all the gold that he had and his precious stones? Now let's begin. High above the city on a tall column stood the statue of the happy prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. What happened now? Actually, this statue was placed on the high column, a tall column, high above the city. And this statue was gilded all over the statue. It was gilded with the gold plating. गोल्ड की लेयर उस पर लगाई हुई थी एंड इट हैज़ टू ब्राइट सफ़ायर्स फॉर हिज आइज. आँखों पर दो ब्राइट सफ़ायर प्रीशियस स्टोन्स जेम्स लगे हुए थे एंड अ रेड रूबी फॉर द हैंडल ऑफ हिज स्वॉर्ड. जो हिल्ट है, हिल्ट मीन्स द हैंडल जिससे तलवार जिससे पकड़ी जाती है, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड hilt. Okay, and gilding is called plating. You must have heard the gold plated jewelry. Means basically the jewelry is made of silver or some other metal, and a plating is done through a electrochemical process, and the layer of gold is put on that jewelry. So it appears like gold jewelry. Okay. Now one night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. Now what happened one night? There flew over the city a little swallow. एक बर्ड वहाँ पर उड़ता हुआ आया. हिज फ्रेंड्स हैड गॉन अवे टू इजिप्ट 6 वीक्स बिफोर. उसके फ्रेंड्स तो इजिप्ट फिर से लौट गए थे. मीन्स इट वॉज अ बर्ड दैट बिलोंग टू इजिप्ट एंड इजिप्ट इज द कंट्री ऑफ अफ्रीका, साउथ अफ्रीका. ओके, एंड ही हैड स्टेड बिहाइंड. वो पीछे से अकेला रह गया. देन ही डिसाइडेड टू गो टू इजिप्ट टू एंड ही ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड टू लीव द प्लेस एंड टू रीच इजिप्ट. ओके, ऑल डे लॉन्ग ही फ्लू एंड एट नाइट टाइम ही अराइव्ड एट द सिटी. वेयर शैल आई पुट अप? he said. I hope the town has made preparations. Now the whole day he took his flight. All day long he flew. पूरे दिन उड़ता रहा. Then he said, then at night time he arrived at the city and he thought that where should he stay and spend his night, where he was supposed to spend his night. He said, I hope the town has made preparations, and he was thinking that the town itself had made the preparation. Then he saw the statue on the tall column I will put up there, he cried. It's a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. Where did he take the shelter? ये आया. Suddenly he saw a tall statue on a tall column. बहुत बड़ी स्टेचू बड़े कॉलम पर थी. And he decided that it was a safe place to spend his night over there. He took his position at the feet of the statue, means at the feet of Princess, and he decided and he thought that he would be getting fresh air and decided that he would be spending his night over there. So he alighted. Alighted means he found his safe place over there. Okay? I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around and he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing! He cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. Oh, what happened? When he saw that the statue was of gold, he felt quite relaxed. He thought that what a beautiful place he had found to sleep. So he softly looked all around and lay down there. He prepared to go to sleep, and as soon as he put his head under his wings, he saw a drop of water fell on him. What did he feel? He felt a drop of water falling on him. What a curious thing, he cried. Oh, अरे ये क्या है? What a curious thing. There was not a single cloud in the sky and stars were twinkling. There was not a cloud in the sky. Sky was clear, stars were twinkling. So he was surprised to see that where did this drop, water drop, come from. Then he suddenly felt in another drop. Suddenly he felt another drop. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He said. अब उसने सोचा कि ये एक स्टेचू के नीचे शेल्टर रहने का क्या फ़ायदा. What is the use of a statue if cannot keep the rain off? वो सोचने लगा इस स्टेचू के नीचे मैंने शेल्टर ली, but it is not allowing me to keep away from rain. Okay, I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly away. Then he thought to find a good chimney pot. Chimney pot means a place where he could find himself pot uska chimney ka, and he decided to fly away. But before he had opened his wing, a third drop fell and he looked up. He saw. Oh, what did he see? It was a great surprise for him. क्या देखा उसने? He was surprised to see that another drop fell on him. He looked up. उसने ऊपर देखा. What did he see? The eyes of the prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. the bird was so surprised to see a statue crying, tears falling from a statue. He saw the eyes of the prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. उसकी स्टेचू तो आखिर गोल्डन स्टेचू थी ना, तो फेस भी गोल्ड का था. So he saw that tears were dropping down, coming down on his golden cheeks. And the face of statue was so beautiful in the moonlight. It appeared, it was glowing so beautifully that the little bird was filled with pity. Bird को दया आने लगी, ये ऐसा हो क्यों रहा है? Isn't it? When the bird saw the prince crying, the tears coming out of the statue, he was filled with pity. Who are you? He said. Bird asked him, bird asked the statue, who are you? He replied, means the prince replied, I am the happy prince. So the statue spoke up. The statue replied that he was the happy prince. Okay? Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. You have quite praised me. Then this swallow asked him that why he was weeping, why he was crying, why the tears were in his eyes. And this swallow asked him that he had praised him. Praised means भिगो देना, as it is already there, thoroughly there. जो बूंदें उसके आंखों से निकल रही थी, टीयर्स जो गिर रहे थे उसकी आंखों से, उससे वो भीग चुका था. So he asked the statue, the happy prince, that his tears had praised him. उसके हैप्पी प्रिंस के आंसुओं ने उसको भिगो दिया है. Then the reply was given by the prince.